Hey baby, what's your name?
Koshalya.
How old are you, baby? Very good, 4 years. Okay. Can you tell me your body part's name?
Sir.
Very good, excellent, good job. So, Koshalya, touch your nose, touch your eye, touch your lip, touch your teeth, show me your tongue, touch your cheek. Very good, excellent. Touch your head. Good job. Touch your ear. Great. Touch your elbow and touch your shoulder.
Shoulder.
Great. Good job. Wave your hands and wave your fingers. Great. Touch your nail. Good job. Touch your abdomen. Good. Great. Excellent.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon for new updates.